The fairy whose hair never stopped growing. Once upon a time, there lived a fairy named Gabriel. Gabriel was a very, very pretty fairy with green wings and brown hair. One day, as she was swimming in the ocean, she remembered how she had seen a mermaid. I wish I had long black hair like that mermaid, thought Gabriel the fairy. Suddenly, she saw a pretty face coming out of the water. It was Mermaid Princess Ariella. Hello there! Are you a fairy? Asked the pretty mermaid. Yes, it's so nice to finally talk to a mermaid, said Gabriel the fairy. Soon, Gabriel and Ariella became good friends. Can you take me to the moon? I want to see the craters, said Mermaid Ariella to the fairy. Sure, but I need to get you wings first. Gabriel went to a magic wishing well. She only had one wish left. Can you give my mermaid friend Ariella some wings? Asked Gabriel the fairy. The wishing well said, Sure, answer my question and I will grant your wish. Name all the 5 vowels. That's easy, said Gabriel the fairy. It's A, E, I, O, and U. Good job, said the wishing well. Your mermaid friend just got her wings.
Hooray!
Gabriel the fairy and Mermaid Ariella were very excited. They flew together until they reached the moon. The craters are so pretty, said Mermaid Ariella. Thank you so much, she shouted. Then the fairy and the mermaid flew back to the ocean. Ask me anything, said Mermaid Princess Ariella. I have magical powers too, but they only work in the ocean. Gabriel the fairy quickly jumped into the ocean and said, I want long black hair that never stops growing. Sure, said the mermaid. And soon, Gabriel the fairy had lovely black hair. Thank you, said the fairy, and she said goodbye to her new friend. The next morning, when Gabriel the fairy woke up, she had a bad headache. When she looked at herself in the mirror, her hair had reached her feet. This is so uncomfortable, cried Gabriel the fairy. I want my brown hair back. She rushed back to the sea and called out to Mermaid Princess Ariella. Mermaid Princess Ariella suddenly came out of the water. I don't want black hair that never stops growing. Please make it stop, shouted Gabriel the fairy. Mermaid Princess Ariella laughed. Okay, get in the water and I will reverse the magic. And next time be careful what you wish for, said the pretty mermaid. Sometimes what you already have may be much, much better. The end. Do you remember what are vowels? That's right, it's A, E, I, O, and U. Great job! See you soon with another story at Reading Can Be Magical. And don't forget to share with your friends, like and subscribe for new videos.